All right, hello class. I'm going to do a recording now for section 8.8 for your Math for 10 course. So this is called Translating English Phrases and Algebraic Expressions. So let me see if I can set this up correctly.
Works. Okay, great. All right, so in your workbook, you want to look at page 71 and you want to add this vocabulary. And of course, when you do the learn, you're going to see this also in learn. And then of course, they go through the watch and work and they have some exercises. So you remember you want to spend 50 minutes, at least 15 minutes in each of your learn lessons for Math 410 because that counts as 5% of your in-course grade. So first we'll start with words for addition, like add, sum, plus, more than. Notice how the more than I have a little bulleted item here, and that's related to this. If you see little bulleted items, that means that you want to write the terms in a reverse order. Okay, so that's one of them when you translate it. Okay, we have increase by, total, and then also this one added to. Okay, so if you see those, you should write the terms in a reverse order when you're translating them. And remember, when we take our tests, you're allowed to use the first page of each lesson because they basically have rules on there for you to follow. And so that way you don't have to have all of that memorized. You can use it as a quick reference. Just remember that your tests are timed for about 80 minutes. So you know, it's whatever you can do in 80 minutes. So you don't want to spend a whole lot of time looking through rules and laws. You do, when it comes to test time, you want to know a lot of the rules already from memory. Okay, but it's good to have a vocabulary sheet like this as a reference, especially during the tests. Subtraction, the word subtract from, or sometimes subtracted, ed, from. So notice how that's a bulleted item. Difference, minus, less than, that's also a bulleted item. Decrease by, less. And then these are also all bulleted items. All of these require that you write the terms in a reverse order. Lower than, fewer than, and slower than. So you've seen this in the past. We had a previous lesson in chapter 8 where we talked about vocabulary. So today is going to be a second round of vocabulary. And also I'll point out that addition is commutative. You know, 3 plus 2 equals 2 plus 3. So this side equals 5 and this side equals 5, right? That's commutative. Addition is commutative. So if you forget to write these in a reverse order, but then you're trying to get an end result, you'll still get the correct end result. But if we're also grading for translation, then the translation will be a little bit off because, you know, to do it perfectly, we're supposed to reverse the terms for more than and added to. Now, however, for subtraction is not commutative. So if you forget to write the terms for these vocabulary words, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if you forget to write those in a reverse order, then your end result will be wrong because communication is not, subtraction is not commutative. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Okay, other words for multiplication are multiply, product, times, twice, which means double, triple, which means thrice. Division means divide, quotient, ratio. And then we also have exponent powers, square of, and cube of, okay? And then I just want to remind you up here at the top, note the word and does not mean addition. Sometimes when students are learning this, they just assume or it's easy to think that it does mean addition, but it doesn't mean addition. What it means, the word and, it's meant to identify all those numbers and sometimes all those variables that we will work with, okay? Because we're going to have to manipulate them. We're going to have to add, subtract, multiply, or divide them. So the and just tells you, look, we're working with this number and this number. And then let's say sum. Then they want you to add those two numbers, but you have to hear the operation like sum, the keyword, okay? For example. So the and does not mean addition. If you're going to do a product of 6 and 3, so you can multiply 6 times 3, 6 and 3. So the and just tells you, look, these are two variables, or this is the number and the variable. This is what we're working with, and then we're going to tell you the operation that we want you to use. So product would be a keyword. Product means multiply. Okay. And then these last two, let me fill these in. Number one, it says division and subtraction. Okay, so here's subtraction, here's division. These are done with the values in the same order that they are given in the problem. Okay, well, I don't think I agree with that 100% because there are some bulleted items like this and this bullet time. These you have to change the order. You have to reverse the order. So I'm not exactly sure I agree with that comment totally. Okay, number two, an ambiguous phrase is one whose meaning is not clear. Okay, so yeah, ambiguous means like, yeah, it's not clear. Or it says for which there may be two or more interpretations. Okay, all right. So I'm not sure. I guess they have that there because I guess, you want to learn your vocabulary. Otherwise, if you don't learn your vocabulary, it could be a little bit tricky to which operation you're using. Okay. So if you haven't finished writing all this down, then you can pause the video right now, pause the video and write it down. But I'm going to just go ahead and keep going. Okay. And we're going to start with problems on page 73. And so these are problems from your ebook, practice problems from your ebook. It says, write the algebraic expression described by the English phrases and then choose your own variable. Okay. Well, let's use X. I want you to use your own variable. So I'm gonna just use X, okay? So 6 added to a number. All right, so I'm gonna highlight the vocabulary word, which I would say is added. And I'm gonna look for that on this sheet here under addition. And here we say added to. See this? Added to. See how it's a bulleted item? That means you want to write the terms in a reversed order. So technically, let me highlight the 2. So technically, you would want to reverse order of the terms. So it is going to be a plus sign, but we want to put the 6 in the back. And then the number, I'm going to use X in the front. Okay. All right. Okay, so that would be like totally formally correct. Okay, added to, that means you want to write the terms in reverse order. Okay. All right, number 6, it says 20 decreased by, so we'll start with that. Under subtraction, decrease by is right here. See that? And it's not a bulleted item. So if it's not bulleted, you just write the terms as they appear. So you would start with 20 decreased by. Okay. And then what are we decreasing by? This product of 4 and a number. So The and just tells you the two numbers you're working with is going to be 4, then X, 4X. Those are the two. You have a number and a letter. And how are you going to manipulate that? Which operation? Product. In math, product means times. Product means times, multiply. So this is going to be 4X. Okay. And then you're done. You're done. On both of these, you cannot continue anymore because these are unlike terms. This is a variable term. This is a variable term. This is a constant term. This is a constant term. And so they're unlike terms. So you just stop. Don't try and make it like a one answer monomial. These are binomials, two terms. Binomials, two terms. All right, so that's fine. Okay, number 7. 18 less than. So less than is under subtraction. Okay, here's less than. See how you got a bulleted item? See that? Bulleted item. So you're going to want to subtract in a reverse order. So it's less than means subtract. And then 18, you want to put the 18 in the back. So 18 in the back. So you got it. This less than means reverse order. Okay, then you have the quotient of a number and 2. All right, well, what does quotient mean? So come over here to division. Quotient means division, okay? So you're dividing a number. Okay. Divide is your fraction bar, quotient of a number and 2. So that would be one way to write that up. Okay. Another way to write that up is you could write it up like this. Parenthesis X divided by, see this line with the 2 dots? That also means division. Close it. X divided by 2, and then take away 18. That will work also. Okay. So that would be fine. Okay, next, translate each pair of English phrases into an algebraic expression. Notice the differences between the algebraic expressions and in the corresponding English phrases. Okay, so we have 6 less than a number. Okay, less than. Okay, so under subtraction, less than, here, less than. Okay, you want to write it in a reverse order. Okay, see that? So we're going to say it does mean subtract, but you're going to put the 6 in the back. Okay, because less than, see how I have over here? Less than is reversed order. So to reverse the order, and then the number. So we're going to just use X again. I'm going to use X again because I said that here. Okay, next, 6 less a number. So the word less under subtraction, there it is right there. See how it's not bulleted? Okay. So we're going to write it in a straightforward manner. So we have 6 less X. Next, 6 less than. So remember, less than means to write it in a reverse order. Remember, less than means to write it in a reverse order. So that means I'm going to do this, less than 6. And then what goes in the front is this, 4 times the number. So times means multiply. Times means multiply. So 4 times a number. Okay, and then next, 6 less 4 times a number. Okay, so just the word less. So the word less, you just write it, see, in a straightforward manner. Less, just write it in a straightforward manner. So you have 6 less, and then you get 4 times the number. Okay. Next, write the algebraic expression described by the English phrase using the given variables. Okay, so we have the cost of purchasing a fishing rod and a reel. If the rod costs X dollars, okay, so I'm going to do some labeling here. I'm going to say, let the rod equal that X $X, okay? The rod costs X dollars, and the reel, with the reel equal, the reel cost, so it said the rod costs X dollars, and the reel costs $8 more than twice the cost of the rod. Okay, so I see vocabulary. See that more than? Okay, so if I look at my vocabulary list, more than means, see, addition, and see how it's bulleted? That means technically you want to write the terms in a reverse order, okay? So more than means add. So we have something like this, plus, and then the $8 is going to go in the back. See? $8 more than. So more than means write terms in a reverse order. So plus $8. And then $8 more than twice the cost of the rod. Okay, well, remember, twice means double. So twice means times 2. Twice means double times 2. And it's 2 times, let's see, the cost of the rod. Well, the rod was X. So basically it's 2 times X. And I'm gonna just put the $sign in the front because it's money. Okay. Okay, so now what we need to figure is the cost of this purchase is going to be the cost of the rod plus the cost of the reel. So the whole cost, you have to buy the rod and the reel. Okay, so the rod, okay, the rod is, and it's interesting because I think just recently while I was doing this recording, I think for this, doing this recording, and we just had Father's Day weekend, but I think in Texas there was a father who caught, and I think I'm not sure, it was somewhere in Texas, so it was Galveston area or South Padre Island area, but he caught a hammer shark that was at least 12, like a 12-footer, right? It was a huge, long shark, hammer shark, I believe that it was. Okay, so it's interesting because we're talking about fishing, and it said he struggled with it for 2 hours to catch it, and it said like he reeled it in. It's very interesting because I think he just reeled it in from the beach, trying to, you know, how some people fish in the ocean with their reel. So yeah, it was very interesting, very rare catch. Okay, so that just happened this Father's Day weekend. So the rod, I'm going to substitute now. I'm going to substitute. So the rod is X dollars, and the reel is this 2 times X plus this $8. Okay. So you're substituting. Okay, next you're going to combine like terms. You're going to combine like terms. So you're able to combine the x's. See that x and see that x there? So technically there's a 1 here. The book will save a lot of money, and they won't waste ink on the 1. They say it's understood. It's elementary, my dear. It's elementary, my dear. It's understood. It's invisible 1. But I like to show that $1 plus well, 1x, I should say dollars, 1x, should say 1x, right? Dollars, and then 2x, because x is unknown. We don't know what x is. We don't know, is the rod $5? Is the rod $100? Is the rod 80? We don't know. So it's unknown. Okay, but then when we add this up, 1 plus 2, that gives a total of 3 of them, 3 x's. So this gives us 3 x's plus that $8. Okay, and then but then that's it. After you get that, I would say that would be your answer, and that's how you do that problem. Okay. Okay. Okay, so here, I have a teacher's answer key, so sometimes I don't write everything out. So I went ahead and left these here. These are good write-ups for that here. So it says, translate each algebraic expression into an equivalent English phrase. There could be more than one per translation. So like, for example, here, negative 9x, that means, this is one way to say it, the product of a number and negative. Well, actually, you know what? I am gonna rewrite it a little bit. I'm gonna say the product of, I'm gonna fix this a little bit. I'm gonna say the product of negative 9 and x. I'm gonna write it like that because you see negative 9 first and then you see x. It's a little awkward to say it the other way, the product of x and negative 9, but multiplication is commutative. You can't change the order and get the same result. I think this looks better. Or if you wanted to say something else, you could just say negative 9 times x. That will work also. Negative 9 times x. Okay. Number 12, this is a fraction, 9 divided by. So 9 divided by, that's correct, 9 divided by what? The sum of a number and 3. So the sum, there's your sum of a number and 3. So we're just using x as a number. So that's okay, that's fine. Or another way to write this is the quotient, because in math, quotient means divided. The quotient of what? Of 9 and, see? So the quotient of 9 and, so that's already telling you to do that. The quotient of 9 and what? Well, you want to describe this. This is the sum. So you're seeing this, the sum, well, of what? Of a number, so which I'm using x, and 3. Move this a little bit. Of a number and 3. Okay. All right. Okay, let's look at the next page. And if you need to pause the video, if you're still writing, you can pause the video and then just pick up when you're done. I'm going to just move on to page 74. Oh, 77, excuse me. I'm going to move on to 77. Oh, I think I skipped 76. Yeah, let me do 76 first. Translate each phrase into an algebraic expression. Do not simplify. Okay. So I'm not sure why the author can choose whether they want you to simplify or not, and they're just telling us not to. So that's fine. We'll follow directions there. Okay. So we look at number 1, 2 more than. Okay, so I'm going to highlight more than. I'm going to look at my vocabulary sheet. And remember, more than, we see it right here. And technically, it's one of those words where you want to write the terms in a reverse order. So I would start with more than is plus, and I would put 2 in the back. 2 more than, okay, the sum of x and y. Okay, so in the front here, I'm going to do this. And we're doing a sum, see? And we're summing x and y. Okay, that'll be it. That'll be it. Okay, number 2, product. Keyword is product. So go to my vocabulary. Just remember, you can use this sheet when we're taking our test. Product is under multiplication. And see, product needs to multiply. See that? So what are we multiplying? A whole bunch of numbers and letters. Looks like 6y x. So you could literally just do that, just like that. That implies multiplication. Or you could use a whole bunch of parentheses. Okay, that's a little bit overdoing it, but that's fine. Parentheses mean to multiply. Or you can use erased dots. These erased dots too. Okay, just make, they're not decimals, they're not on the bottom, they're kind of floating. Okay. Also, if you wanted to alphabetize, I think it'd be okay if you put 6xy. That is like alphabetize, and I'm not sure if I spelled that right, but that's alphabetize. So you shouldn't get penalized because for alphabetizing, because multiplication is commutative. Multiplication is commutative also. So is addition. Addition's commutative, and so is multiplication. So they shouldn't penalize you for that. Okay. So you're just alphabetizing the x and the y, but it's not required. What you shouldn't do though, I think this normally hurts our eyes, like for a math teacher, this hurts our eyes. This you shouldn't do, like do the y times x and then put the 6 there, or the x and then y and put the 6 there. That we would say no, don't do that. The 6 is a coefficient. The 6 is a coefficient. So the coefficient does go in the front. Otherwise, it throws you off. Okay, they do like the coefficients in the front of the letters, not in the back. Okay, so that you can't do. Okay, on the bottom, the sum of 2 numbers. Okay, so sum means to add, right? So sum it, and you write it in a straightforward order. And so I'm going to just use 2 letters, x plus y. Okay, so they didn't tell us what letters to use at the very beginning. I'm just using, I would have used just x, but since I need 2 of them, I need 2. So we use a and b, or x and y. But I got sum x plus y, and then it's times 3. Okay, and then technically I would just stop there due to the instructions. You remember what the instructions said? Remember the instructions said, do not simplify. Now, if you wanted to put the 3 in the front, that I think that would be okay also. If you wanted to put x plus y, but you know, put 3 in the front, that is easier on our eyes. I think that'd be okay because multiplication is commutative. So you multiply it by 3 in the back or in the front, that's okay. And this looks more normal, right? You're used to seeing that. So you shouldn't be docking for that. So either of those should be fine, in my opinion. Okay, now we're gonna look at page 77. So 9 times x divided by 3. Okay. So times means to multiply. Times means to multiply. Okay. So 9 times x. Okay, so I'm going to highlight that. Okay, then we're going to divide it by 3. And divided by is division. See? So I'm going to set up like this. Divided by 3. Okay. And then according to this, I would stop, right? Due to directions. So you might be tempted to want to simplify because 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 goes into 9 3 times, and then make it 3x, make it 3x. But the reason I would stop here is because remember the directions. If you go back to page 76, the directions did say do not simplify. So that would be the only reason for stopping there. Okay. Now, if you wanted to use, you see, we use a division, the fraction bar. We use a fraction bar. That's the fraction bar for divided. If you wanted to use the line with the 2 dots, that would work too. You could do 9x divided by 3. It's sharp also, the line with the 2 dots. And then this one's less popular, but technically it's correct. 9x divided by, you know that the numerator goes inside the house when you're doing long division. So technically we have 9x inside the house divided by 3. And 3 goes into 9 3 times, right? So, but we'll stop there. But technically you could write it up like that too. That's saying 9x divided by 3. Okay. This is to help you knowing that to set it up, the numerator goes inside the house. The long division house, the numerator goes inside the long division house, okay? Okay, number 5, the number of days in T weeks and 3 days, okay? So you have this extra days, not enough for a whole week because 7 days make a week, 1 week. So you have leftover days, but not enough for another full week. So we use something called conversion fact. And that would be for us that 1 week is equal to 7 days. That's a conversion fact. 1 week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, also Saturday, Sunday. So 1 week is a total of 7 days. Okay. So when we write up our answer, express that the number of days in blank, the number of days in T weeks and 3 days, that could be written like this: 7T, because there's 7 days in a week. We just don't know. They didn't tell us how many weeks, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So if it's like 4 weeks, you could multiply 7 times 4. But this, now you're gonna have to, you have these extra days is plus 3. Yeah, so again, you know, the word and, I was saying the word and doesn't mean to add, but those are all the numbers and variables that you're working with. And so as you've got this a whole complete weeks, but then you have these extra leftover days that don't complete an entire week. So we call it like the extra fluff, the extra days. So that you're going to use plus. As far as adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, you would want to use plus to note that. Okay, another example of that type of work. Let's say you have the number of minutes. And H hours. And let's say you had 20 minutes as extra. So the number of minutes in H hours and 20 minutes. So again, thinking about a little conversion fact, we could say that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And then you've got this extra times, extra 20 minutes, not enough for a full hour. Okay, so when we write this up, we could say 60H plus 20. 60H plus 20. Okay, and then I'm going to write I'm going to squeeze one more up here at the top. I'm going to say the number of inches in F feet. The number of inches in F feet. Okay. So here on purpose, I didn't add any fluff to that, no extra. So I did that on purpose. Like these other two, 5, and this one had extra days, extra minutes. This one is just the number of inches in F feet. So your conversion is that 1 foot equals 12 inches. And you see that here, right? You have a ruler here, you have a ruler here. So one foot, 1 ruler equals 12 inches. Okay, so to interpret that, you would just say 12F. 12F. Times F. Yeah. So that way they tell you, look, we have 5 feet. 5 feet. I'm 5 feet tall. Well, how many inches is that? 12 times 5, right? 12 times 5 is 60 inches tall. So 12F. Okay. So remember, let's see. And what we're doing is we're translating these phrases into algebraic expressions. So what we're doing here is we're translating into algebraic expressions. That's what we're doing. We're translate into algebraic expressions. And so if you're wondering what we're doing on these columns, all these columns on this page, we're translating them into algebraic expressions. Okay, so if we look at 6, it says the cost of renting a car for 1 day and then driving M miles if the rate is $48 per day plus 25 cents per mile, because that's a lot of information. Okay, so if I start with like trying to build first like a little generic formula and a little bit of labeling, I can say, well, let's think about D equaling the number of days. Okay, and they did tell us that it was just for 1 day. So they did reveal the days. They said just for 1 day. And then let's let M equal the number of miles. And they didn't see this. Here's your M. This M remains unknown. They never had a chance to tell us how many miles. It's unknown. 5 miles, 15 miles, 28, 9, we don't know. Okay, so a little generic formula could look like this. 48D for each day is going to be 48 times D. So $48 per day. So the per is like the times per day. Okay. And then plus, okay, that means that's, so you see they didn't say and, they didn't use and, they used plus. So plus, and then 25 cents can be written like this. 25 cents again per mile. So there's your times. So you want to be careful with the 25 cents. This is wrong. To use 25M, that's wrong because that's very expensive. That's saying, whoa, $25 per mile. That's expensive. That's you don't want that happening. And if they do something like this, 2.5 M, that's also off because that's like $2.50. So even that's off. So 20, and you know, when you're learning, these are the mistakes that will happen when you see this. See, they do say 25 here, so it's real easy to put 25 down because they have it here, but this is 25 cents. Okay, and this is no decimal, so that's saying $25. You just want to be careful. This is what you want there. Okay, so now for our problem, our answer, what we have specific for our problem, and actually before I put a box, there's a couple of steps here. We have, or substitutions. For our answer, we have 48 times 1. Because see, they did tell us that we were going to rent the car for 1 day. So 48 times 1 plus 25 cents times n. So they never told us how many minutes to apply. Okay, so that stays unknown. That's an unknown. But we can simplify 48 times 1 is just 48 plus 0.25. And then technically we could stop there, right? And that would be fine. Okay, that'd be okay. And then I think I was going to do, let's see, I was going to go back to one of the front pages. I was going back to 72. So again, if you're still writing this down, you can pause the video and get caught up and write that down. But otherwise, if you're done, I'm going to continue. I'm going to go back to, I want to do page 72. Down here, 8.8. Okay, let's see what we have here. So they say, again, these are true or false, true or false. The order in which the values are given is particularly important when working with subtraction and working with division problems. Yeah, and I would say that that's true. Yeah, yeah, because I would say that was true, because if you had 5 take away 3, 5 take away 3 is 2. But if you do 3 take away 5, so you're using subtraction, you're using subtraction. Okay? And then change the order around. Now this is 3 plus -5. See how it has the sign changer there, minus? And 3 plus -5 is a -2. So the order in which the value is given is particularly important when working with subtraction and division problems. Yeah, so this is showing you for subtraction how you don't get the same thing. 2 is not the same as -2. And then I didn't pick any examples for division, but I guess I could, let me see if I can think of one. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, if I do 8 divided by 4, 8 divided by 4 is just 2, right? So you have 8 divided by 4. 4 goes into 8 2 times. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. But if I do 4 divided by 8, this can be reduced by 4. So if I do like this, 4 divided by 8, and I reduce it by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. That would give you 1/2. And you see 2 is not the same as 1/2. Okay? Okay, let's look at the next one, number 2. More than and increase by are key phrases specifying the order of subtraction. Yeah, and I would say that's false. More than and increase by, if I look at my keywords here, more than and increase by, see, or under addition. Under addition. So I'm going to put scratch off subtraction and put addition. So those are for addition. Okay. Okay, number 3, division indicated by the phrase 5. Division is indicated by the phrase 5 less than a number. Okay, I would say that that's false. And it's not division. It's not division. It is subtraction. Right here, subtraction. Subtraction is indicated by the phrase 5 less than number. Yeah, and to set this up, less than means to write it in a reverse order. Write terms reverse. So this 5 goes in the back. 5 less than a number. If you wanted to translate that, that would be its translation. And then last but not least, 4 says key phrases for parentheses can be used to limit ambiguity in English phrases. Yeah, so we'll put true for that one. We saw that in vocabulary. So key phrases for parentheses can be used to limit ambiguity in English. So that's true. We could put that. All right. Okay, so that's a wrap. That's the lesson for 8.8. So good luck with your studies. You should be studying soon, right, for a test, because after 8.8 is in your workbook is a practice test that you should start working on, and then checking your answers in the back, and then start getting ready for a test. So in math, that's just the way it is. In math, you've got to do your homework, but when it comes time to a test, you've got to study for the test. You got to spend an hour or two, you know, the day before studying for a test. That's just how it is with mathematics and the tests and quizzes. That's just how it is. Okay. So good luck with your studying. And then after that, we would start new test material, test 2, which covers chapter 9 material. Okay. Have a good one. Bye.